Welcome to this tutorial where we will delve into the world of balcony chairs and their effectiveness for your balcony. Are you looking to enhance your balcony space? Look no further than balcony chairs. These pieces of furniture not only maximize your balcony area but also add a touch of elegance and comfort. Imagine sipping your morning coffee or reading your favorite book in the comfort of your balcony chair. The peaceful solitude of your outdoor space becomes a sanctuary with the right chair. Balcony chairs come in a variety of designs, materials, and sizes. Whether your balcony is small or large, there's a chair that will perfectly fit your space. If versatility is your priority, opt for foldable balcony chairs. They are easy to store and move around, making them ideal for balconies with limited space. For those who value aesthetics, choose chairs made of teak or rattan. They can withstand harsh weather conditions, and their natural look blends seamlessly with the outdoors. Comfort should not be compromised. Balcony chairs with cushions provide optimal comfort. They are perfect for long, relaxing hours of lounging. Remember, a balcony chair is not just a chair. It's your ticket to a personal retreat, an escape within your home. When chosen wisely, it can transform your balcony into a cozy, inviting space. Invest in a balcony chair today and experience the transformation. Enjoy your balcony like never before. Make it more than just a space, make it a lifestyle. Thank you for joining us, and happy decorating.